This is just a demo of a project manager Angular.js prototype I was building. So basically I'll just walk you through some of it. The nicest part I like is the quote system, but that's also because it's built off of, I don't know the system, but basically it's a bunch of different math equations to get you to quote the high and low of a site based on the size and the certainty level. So as you go through the form, you can change. You choose the hours, you choose a degree of certainty, the DOC, and it will start setting two numbers up for you: total high and total just normal. So you can kind of then maybe find the middle ground to quoting the particular project. You can, Angular just makes it so easy to add some extra rows on the fly. And as you scroll down, you start to see the other area where you can start setting percentages of the other work that is typically also hard to quote. You can start increasing those percentages, which then increases the total hours and the total high hours. So again, you could end up with two quotes, and you give the client what you feel is best. And that's about it. You get your total, and you can save. I think the endpoint, the PHP-based endpoint, might have a bug with the save, but it's so minor. I just haven't had time to go back and just have it saved properly. So let's see, the next thing. There's the client area, really basic, just who are the clients, what are their names. Of course, there's no add new client button. But anyways, you can pull in the clients from the database, edit them, add notes, and just your typical work there. And then there's hosting, because clients have many slices, so we can track those. People, of course, the people who work for the companies or clients. And the fun part here is the ticket system or tasks. Because Angular is so fast, you can easily render all these tasks and then search them as it binds the model. And you can filter here as well quickly. Then there's a sub-filter system I made that uses Ajax to do some of the other queries. Not that I couldn't have done it all through Angular. I just think at some point I just tried it this way too. Yeah, so it was pretty cool. Now the dash is cool just because it's fun to make dashboards, and you can search and find tasks. You can see tasks marked, bring up a meeting. You can click them. And with the speed of craziness, you can get right to your task dashboard and edit that task to further modify it. Again, just Angular is fast, and this is just talking to a JSON endpoint. In this case, built in PHP. I'm going to further push it to do Rails instead, and then tweak it as needed.